Okay, so for today's video here I'm gonna use this CPA network, CPA build. But if you know, there are a bunch of CPA networks that are really well, like Max Bounty or CPA Lead or Adwork Media. There are so many kind of CPA offers which are actually great if you are able to promote offers and able to do it in the right way and never do any spam. So let's start with this, that in every CPA network, in each of the network, you will see the offer mostly like this one, the gift vouchers or the gift cards, this Amazon gift card or Walmart gift card giveaways. Okay, you can see that Walmart gift card, Domino's or Burger King, this type of offers. It's just email submit offer. If your visitor or traffic submit their emails or zip code and go for next, it will give you the lead for this task. So usually these kind of offers are in each CPA networks, so you can pick up any of them. So you can just check the network EPC and the payout, what is actually they are going to give you for per lead. So you can pick up any of them which EPC is good and the payout is also a good. So anyway, I'm not going to talk more about offers or CPA networks today. So as I told you that I'm gonna cover the method how you can promote the CPA offers for free. So let's check this out. So at first here we're gonna use Quora. I hope most of you know that what is Quora is all about. Quora is a question and answer site where you can ask for any topic or question and people are ready to answer your questions. So how we can promote our CPA offers here? Let's see here, as our offer is all related to gift cards or Walmart cards. So here in the search box you have to type a keyword related to that. But before that, make sure that you create a profile. You can create profile based on your niche, what you are promoting, or you can just simply create your own profile. Anyway, so after you create a profile, here search with your keyword what offer you are promoting. So suppose here we are promoting the gift card offer, so simply type here gift card offers or Walmart gift cards or Amazon gift cards. So after you search with this type of keywords, like you can see that people from all countries, all different countries, ask here in the Quora about how they will get gift cards or Amazon gift card or Walmart gift card. So you have to find out the questions what you can answer. So make sure that you select this past month or past week to get the update questions for you. So you can see just okay, so make it past month, and you can see here one person here type that how would I like to $100 gift card, Walmart gift card for free. So here you can answer this one. So he said that not spam, so you can just give him the Walmart gift card offer what you are promoting. So here is another one, that how do I use Walmart gift card free. So you can answer them to promote your offer. So as Quora restrict you never to promote directly your offer link, your tracking link. So what you can do, you have to create a blog site. So you can go with WordPress, or if you don't know how to create WordPress website, so you can or you don't have any money to purchase any domain or hosting, so you can go with free with Blogspot. So here you can see in Blogspot you can create website like this one. So in this website you can see it's more like a WordPress website, but here they just post here all offers, all survey offers or gift card, you can see gift card giveaway offers, and you can promote this website link a website post link in the question answers. So you can see that there is nothing critical in this post you can't do. Just create a blogger account and make a post like this one, title the same as the offer name, and put keep image from Google, or you can get from the landing page of the offer image and text and button for continue. And if you can see, whenever I click on here, or I take my mouse cursor here, you can see at the bottom there is a short link or the direct tracking link here for the offer. So you just have to create a website like this one, and you can go with Quora to promote your offers. Now next, what we can do more on Pinterest. Just create a account on Pinterest like this one. Okay, you can see that give his own its account, and here you have to type your website link, I mean the blogspot link what you create, and you have to follow and unfollow the users who interested in this type of things for free gift cards or free Amazon. You can search with this type of keywords, and you can see there are a bunch of other suggestions what you can make a post for Pinterest, and people will follow you, or people gonna get your offers. So you can see that this person is getting 43k monthly views. So from 43k monthly views, you can imagine how many traffic she will get in this blog site, and from 1% or 10%, if they just complete, she will earn a lot from the CPA offers. The thing, if you were thinking that all of the internet gurus or people is showing you the exact same way how to promote in Pinterest or Quora, what other I can show you right now. So let's see, if you just post this type of post in Pinterest with a new account, you won't get so much views or follows. So what else you can do to get more saved and follows? So let's see. Now we will see something different here. So you have to visit this site. So you have to visit this site called You Like Hits. So in this site you will able to get free saves for your Pinterest and also for your Twitter and some other website hits. So here we are just going to use the Pinterest option to get more save. So you know that if we get more save in our Pinterest, we will get more traffic in our more organic traffic in our every post on Pinterest. So it's a free, you can say that it's a free site. You can just go for sign up and sign up your account and run with the website. But you should make sure that you just before start, you have to also give some like or follow to others to earn some points and get own website visit for those points. So this is pretty easy. If you don't understand anything about this, you can just ask here in the comment box.